Let's put together a beautiful tablescape for Sunday dinner. Sundays are those quiet days, a quiet afternoon. And certainly, I've always liked to make Sunday special. So, besides the fact that the meal should be delicious, I want my table to be breathtaking. Now, when you go out to a restaurant, which we used to do very frequently on Sunday, the tables are nice, the ambiance is nice, but I promise you, there will be nothing like what you're about to do. We're going to use a layering technique to complete this table. And you can see I'm putting down a white charger, and you'll see the gold trim, but the gold trim is going to disappear in a very few seconds because my main colors are an aqua, white, and silver. And so those are the colors that I'm going for. So, I had to look around and I remembered I had this nice charger. Look at how it shines. And it's large enough that it actually covers the gold up. And I'm picking up that silver off of my runner. The runner that you see with the white and the silver snowflakes is a purchase I made from Home Goods. And in fact, I've had it several years. Now, on top of that, I'm adding in a white dinner plate because after all, I want to pick up the white, the snowiness, the white of this wintry evening. And so I'm laying that down. So we have our aqua, we've got the silver, and now I'm adding in a napkin, a cloth napkin. And you'll see the little beads on it are white, silver, and crystal. And there they are on the table. I'm also adding in two very nice goblets, water goblets, that we're going to be using for dinner. And now we need to have enough room to put in our silverware. Now, since my bubble consists of two people, this works out great. You notice that instead of having the runner in its usual spot, I've pushed it back. So there we are. I have turned on the lights with the snowflakes. I've added in another little light. And you just have a very beautiful background for tonight's dinner. So I'm just going to take a moment and let the music play and let you enjoy the ambiance. Dinner is going to be served in a very short time. So there's our lantern, and you've seen us prepare the table with other settings using this lantern, and it has a little silver trees in it, which picks up the silver charger that we're using and looks very snowy and very wintry. And today is extremely cold, so that's why I thought, let's get wintry. So there's our runner on top of the aqua for the sky, and of course the white and silver snowflakes. Just brings about that little touch of winter. I like that. I really like that. And I love the texture of both runners. So I'm using a double. Here we have our napkins, and the napkins has a metallic thread that runs through it. I added a bowl as well because we're going to have salad, and that salad is going to go into that little bowl. And I've given you a closer look at the napkin rings. I like those napkin rings. Now, I believe those napkin rings actually came from TJ Maxx, but don't hold me to it because I've had those napkin rings for about 5 years. But the aqua placemat that I have down came from Big Lots. The white charger came from Tuesday Morning. The silver I ordered from Amazon. And of course the white plates are just typical white plates that you can buy anywhere. You can pick them up at Walmart, even the Dollar Tree, to be honest with you, but those weren't. I think they came from Walmart. And I've added in our silverware. So this table is going to be so much fun. I think the big guy is going to feel very special. This month, I want to show you some love. I am showing the love to some lucky winner this month. And you know what? It's going to be so much fun. Now, I have purposely selected a Mr. Coffee. It's a 12-cup programmable coffee maker. And I selected a red one. Now, Mr. Coffee is always a great brand to purchase, and I think you'll enjoy having one in your home. Now, these are the things you need to do. First of all, you need to like this video, and you need to share this video. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will check. You also need to leave a comment that says, "Show me some love." Now, the drawing is going to be February 14th. The winner will be announced on the channel that day, and also in the community, on the community page, as well as on Instagram.